Hey there, health enthusiasts. Turmeric, the golden spice, can sometimes trip you up if you're not careful. Let's explore 5 common mistakes to avoid. Before adding turmeric to every dish, know these pitfalls to make the most of its benefits. Ready for a spice-savvy journey? Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, overconsumption. Ever heard, too much of a good thing can be bad? Well, it applies to turmeric too. Adding a dash to your meals is beneficial, but going overboard might cause digestive discomforts like nausea or diarrhea. Studies suggest excessive turmeric can strain your liver. Stick to 500 to 2,000 millinograms per day to keep your tummy happy. Mistake number 2, ignoring allergic reactions. Turmeric might be natural, but it's not for everyone. Imagine spicing up your meal with turmeric and suddenly encountering itchy skin or a pounding headache. Allergic reactions are rare but possible. If you experience strange symptoms, consult a healthcare professional right away. It's wise to take precautions. Mistake number 3, poor absorption practices. Did you know turmeric's curcumin struggles to get absorbed into your bloodstream? Don't worry, there's a fix. Pair turmeric with black pepper or healthy fats like olive oil to enhance absorption. This trick amplifies its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making meals tasty and nutritionally powerful. Mistake marker 4, mixing with certain medications. Combining turmeric with some medications can spell trouble. If you're on blood thinners or diabetes drugs, imagine unknowingly increasing your bleeding risk by adding turmeric. Always chat with your healthcare provider before mixing turmeric with medication. It's better to be safe. Mistake number 5, using low-quality turmeric. Quality matters, especially with turmeric. Some products are adulterated or mixed with harmful substances. To ensure you're getting the best, opt for high-quality organic turmeric. Your health deserves nothing but the best. There you have it, the 5 key mistakes to avoid when incorporating turmeric into your lifestyle. Steer clear of these pitfalls to enjoy the remarkable benefits of this golden spice. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay vibrant and healthy.